guys, welcome back to my channel. Before getting into this video, I just want to say I'm sorry about the lighting. Like when I started this video, it was daytime, bright as hell, and then since it's winter, it starts going down quicker and it sucks. But yeah, bear with me, I'm sorry again. This video is of course on this makeup look right here. It's a face chart recreation from the Instagram called Milk1422. This is the face chart that inspired me to do this. If you can't see it, I will pop it up right here. Just pop it up anyways. If you don't follow this Instagram, you need to. Beautiful face charts, like oh my god. I wanted to do this one first because it was a little bit more on the simple side for me. The other ones, I mean, they're all beautiful, but I just have to just ease my way into this. I do want to start doing these face charts because it's like so many that I want to do once a month, maybe twice a month. Don't know. This is the look, and if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going to prime my eyes, and I'll be using for the first time the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD concealer in a light ivory. In the tube, it actually looks orange, more orange than anything. So I'm kind of nervous about that. It doesn't look so orange on the skin. Another new product that I never used before is the NYC Smooth Skin Loose Face Powder in translucent. I'm going to dust this on my eyelids to set them. And this is the Luxie 660 precision brush. To do this eye look right here, I'm just showing you half of it. I'm going to only use 3 shadows for this look. No, I'm only going to use 2 shadows for this look. And one is from the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to use this one right here. This is going to be like the star of the show since you see all the pink. And then I'm going to apply a little bit from Dream Street by Kathleen Lights and ColourPop. I'm going to apply Elfish. Going into the Morphe 35B palette. Dipping my brush into this shadow. And I'm of course applying this to my crease and in the corner. I'm not trying to apply this so high, so I'm just trying to keep it really close to my crease. Of course, with any shadow, you have to apply and blend a lot so it won't look harsh and patchy on top of that. And the brush I'm using is the Sedona Lace EB13. Using my Glamour Douse 10 brush, going back into that pinky shadow and just going to stamp it on the inner corner to intensify the look. I'm just going to sweep it right in my inner corner. I'm just going to sweep it right in my crease. Going back with the Sedona Lace and just blending it all out. Now going to the Dream Street by Kathleen and ColourPop. I'm taking my Luxie 229 tapered blending brush. I'm going to pop it in Elfish. I'm going to focus this more on the outer corner but really close to my lash line. I want this to be darker on my lash line, and then I'll just blend it out. I'm just going to blend it up. And this is not going in the crease at all. With no additional product, I'm just going to like swipe it on the empty space just to give it some color. Like blending it out. And the inner corner, she has a highlight. So I'm going to, it's a pink highlight. So I'm going to use the Baked highlighter from DSL and Besalima. Using this Royal and SammieCNicole BX95 brush to apply this right in the corner to give it that highlight. I'm almost done with my eyes, but I'm going to put that on hold and start my face. I'm going to go in with the Pores No More Luminizer Primer from Dr. Brandt. I'm going to do my face real quick, and I will be going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and then to conceal my eyes, I'm going to use, of course, the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. So let's get right into it. Going back into the NYC Smooth Skin Loose Face Powder so I can set my under eyes. Just a little. Just gonna dab it everywhere. The NYC powder seems good. Doesn't look like it's drying my under eye. That's good because, you know, I do got dry skin and I don't need that. To contour my face, I'll be using the IBY Beauty Highlight and Contour Palette because she has like a deep contour. So I think I'm going to use Contour 3, chisel these cheeks. To contour my face, I'm going to use a Crown Brush SS023. Gonna pop this on right here. So since I want a chisel look, I changed my brush. And I'm using the Wet n Wild brush. It's a contour one. I don't really want to use it because, you know, it's white. But I gotta do what I gotta do. I'm going to warm this contour up, and I'm going to use Contour 2. I'm going to like bake a little bit, trying to clean up since this has a harsh line. Now I want to contour my nose. I'm going to dip in a Contour 2 and 3. This is the e.l.f. small smudge brush that I did my line, and now I'm using the Royal and SammieCNicole BX90 to blend it out. To highlight the tip of my nose and like on the bridge of it, I'm going to use the Pure Bronze and Brighten palette. I'm going to take the highlight one and just boom. Oh, see? Right there. Right. Okay, this is kind of a lot. I'm gonna keep this bow. I want to go and apply a little bit of the same highlight to my inner corner just to make it pop more. For blush, I'm going to use the Physicians Formula Powdered Palette Multicolored Blush in Blushing Rose. And just gonna hit it right there. Now, let's go back in to my lower lash line, dipping back into the Morphe 35B palette. I'm going to take my e.l.f. brush, this one right here. Gonna dip into that pink and just apply it all over my lower lash line. With this e.l.f. brush right here, I'm going to blend it out. I don't want the edges to look harsh. Taking this Wet n Wild brush, dipping it back into that pinkish color and just applying a little bit more on top to brighten it up. It's from Luxie 221T. This is a flat top brush, and I'm going in to the Dream Street palette and using Elfish only on the outer corner on the lower lash line, keeping it real close. And also applying this on top as well to deepen this up. I'm going to curl my lashes and use a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'll be right back. In the picture, her lips are kind of like different. The top is kind of more pink and the bottom looks like she has a type of a gloss on, or like a peach. My top lip, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild lipstick in Dollhouse Pink. For the bottom lip, I'm going to use the MAC Viva Glam Nikki in Satin. And this is the end result, even though you saw this in the beginning of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, please give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I am going to link down the Instagram that I got this from down below, so check that out because you need to follow that page. It's amazing. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye. I'm almost done with my eyes, but I want to start my what? If you want to be my lover. Going back, I want to sick a sick out. I don't know if that's how it goes, but yeah.